Today, after 12 days in a row sleeping in this Caraloft from Weinsberg, I'll make a review how it sits for us. The passenger and the pilot area is pretty big. The seats fold to the other side, 360 degrees. You have a super comfortable ladder to help you go in. And the inside you have a big table. You could take this out so it goes like half a meter longer. You have the sink, the stove, 3 burners is actually pretty good. In this area you have a table that expands a bit more. It's actually really amazing. In this area you have a big closet for a lot of clothes. Storage area. Another storage area. Where to put your stuff, how to control the gas. In this area you have more storage. A big fridge, more than enough for 2 people. Not to forget, more storage in the top. 3 windows to open. Here is the most important thing, the bathroom. You have a sink, you have the shower. It's not that big, but it's good enough. Toilet, which is pretty comfortable because it tells you exactly when it's full and when you have to dump, because sometimes our eyes are a bit tricky to understand. Good size, a window to open it. Storage for water bottles or shoes. The bed area with a lot of storage. And another clapping. So, from the inside, I could just say that it was amazing. Over here you have the control for everything. When you're connected to the outside, it tells you here. It tells you also how the battery is going. This is the battery inside. This is the battery from the motor when it's on and the pumps are on. How much is your fresh water level? How much is your gray water level? And this side you have the temperature from the van. When it's too cold you could also regulate it, and it turns it automatically. The water echo turns it to 50 degrees, hot to 60, and boost when you need like to shower immediately. And everything is done automatically. You have a smoke detector, that's very important. On the outside you have storage. For 2 tanks. Right now we only have 1, but it's more than enough. A huge garage with even more storage. In the back you have space for 3 bicycles. This one you could lower it almost like 20 centimeters from the ground, which is pretty convenient. In this area we have another door for the garage, which is pretty good. You could reach it from both sides. And this side you have the light. We have here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and up there 5 plugs for light. Right here we have lights and everyone. To hang big spot to put some. Well, you have back camera and navigation system. Waste for the toilet. I could explain you in another video how to dump it, but it's really easy. Up gas for the boiler, and then this side we have the fresh water, which carries 110 liters of fresh water, and the gray water is in the bottom. You have the valves to close it and open it. I'm closing them now because we just emptied it. And here in the back, that's for the boiler. For the electricity, that is just connected here. So, in summary, me and my girlfriend could say it's a really good starter vehicle. So whenever you're thinking about getting one, we totally recommend this model. I forgot to mention that we have here a roof that it extends about 3 meters, and it's really good for sunny days. So 10 out of 10. The only negative thing that we found was the bed is a bit hard, and we'll give you some tips what to bring if it's your first time like ours, because we missed some stuff in our camping spots. Be sure you get from your rent this, fellas, that's to level the car, and also some pills for the toilet. That's the chemical pills that you will need. You will need some plug. Your renter should give it to you, but it's important to know. So that was it. Have a good day. Till the next one.